some ways to create your own best salad. So at the moment I'm on a salad challenge. It means I have to create or eat salad every day straight. I think I don't know how many, but it's been five days now. 5 days now I've been doing some my own creation of salad, and I will show it to you the best ways to create your own of your own liking as well. And at this video I will show you steps how to create them or how to prepare them, and also the sauce, and later on I will show you my best favorite one, tomato salad, which is fun to make, easy and very tasty. So enjoy this one, enjoy the weather. It's lockdown still. It's like 6 weeks now straight lockdown. No, 5 weeks. I think 5 weeks now lockdown. But we're gonna enjoy it. We're gonna create something. We're gonna do this one. So come. All right. First, step one. So you have to make a list. So this is the step one. What kind of salad you fancy for today? So remember, you can use salad for your sidings or main dish, and you can have a leafy salad or salad with fruits in it. You can have salad with pasta. You can have salad with pasta or seafood salad, or maybe you will go with a cultural like the guacamole of Mexico. There are still salad, and or Greek salad, which is one of my favorite. So that's step one for you. And the step two is to choose your own ingredients. So remember, some of us like to use anchovies on our salad, like Caesar salad. They put some anchovies on it. Some people doesn't want it, or the kind of cheese. So we use this different kind of cheese. The likes of me like to use goat cheese, mozzarella cheese, or a lot Parmigiano cheese for my Italian salad. For the vegan, they use a different kind of ingredients. And also for the vegetarian, the likes of me, I want some of my salad a leafy salad with steaks on the top. Sometimes I use some egg with the different ingredients. So that's it. Step one, what kind of salad you fancy for today, or what kind of salad you're gonna make. Step two, what ingredients you will use. So the third step is the sauce. The sauce is very important on salad. It's it will give best taste of what your ingredients is. So these are some of the basic sauce I could gather over on my kitchen. So let's start with the olive oils or oil that we use. I normally use the garlic oil, which is nice, or chili oil, or sesame oil, or Italian or Spanish oil. The other one is Greek oil, which is really fun to use as well. And you have your acid. Your acid involves with lemon, lime, or clementine, or you could use balsamic vinegar. Sometimes I use the glazed balsamic vinegar, which is nice, or just the normal sauce you could buy. I have that peri-peri based one, which is really nice, or French sauce, Caesar dressing, which is nice, or mayonnaise is nice. And then you have the salt and pepper. So those are the most basic sauce. Let me show you my my own basic sauce as well. So for your basic sauce, you have to grab an empty jar. This one is from a coffee jar. So grab an empty jar as small as this one. Is like for your own personal use. So fill it with olive oil. Let's say like half of it. That's too many. Put some olive oil and 1/3 of, we use balsamic on this sauce. For acidity, you can use lemon, you could use lime, you could use clementine if you like. So you got your balsamic sauce and just add some salt and pepper on it, and then close it and then shake it like this. So you will have your own basic sauce, and from this one you could add cream, you could add sour cream, you could add mustard if you like. French dressing sometimes have a mustard on it, or the English dressing have a mustard on it, and then a lot of variety from this basic sauce. So you could enjoy your own taste on your own salad. So next up is the 3 steps. I only made 3 steps so it'll be easy for you guys to follow. So remember, step 1 is what kind of salad you fancy if you're making one for the day, and step 2 is what kind of ingredients you're gonna use to make your own salad. And the step 3, which is a very important one, is the sauce you're gonna use to create your own salad. This time I will show you one of my favorite salad, again, all tomato salad. Again, some radish on it, cherry radish, the red one, which is the crunch. And then we're gonna use the sauce, the basic sauce that we made earlier to fancy it. So I hope you enjoy the 3 steps I made. Easy 3 steps to how to make your own fancy your own salad on your dishes. You might want to make it a side dish, or you might want to make it a main dish, for dinner or lunchtime. So enjoy it, guys. Please look on my IG, Juke Sanchez. I post a lot of food in there as well, so check it out. If you want that recipe, just message me in there, so I send you the whatever ingredients I use or methods of the way I cook it. So enjoy this one until the next vlog. Cheers, bye. But still enjoy the next recipe I make. Until the next one, cheers, guys. Stay safe, stay at home. So we have ourselves the cherry tomatoes and the tawny tomatoes. Tawny tomatoes is the colored ones. They're actually for kids, but it's nice to do the salad with them. And I also put the radish. This is a peppery, crunchy radish, the cherry radish I pulled. And we're also going to use some coriander, a bit of coriander, and some Italian mozzarella on this one. Recipe. So this is the sauce that we made earlier. So I'll show you now how to assemble one of my favorite tomato salad. Start assembling this one. First of all, you have to wash your hands when you're working with the salad. Make sure your hands are very clean. So all you have to do is mix all the ingredients. You got your tomatoes here and some radish, cherry radish I call them, and our sauce. So our sauce now is ready.
also put pepper on it. Now you have to put your salt. I'm into the controlled salt diet. So it's good. And we plate it in. When you plate it in, you can have your old colored one. And mozzarella. Clementine will have certain taste like a sweet.
It's our lives in hindsight. And as I lay here in the street, I see what I need.
And you'll have
The escape from this debris,
Greek salad. My own version.